If you're looking for means to send bulk SMS to promote to your product, your service, any offer, and you're looking for means to do your bulk SMS without doing any stress, with this bulk SMS sender Android software, you're able to send unlimited bulk SMS from your phone without any stress. So I'm not going to waste your time, I'm just going to show you demo on how this software works. So after I got in this software, you have installed it, just click on this plus button. As you can see, you see SMS, WhatsApp Business, Telegram Messenger, email, reminder, call, and fake call. So what does that tell you is that this software support different bulk sending. It support SMS sending, it support WhatsApp sending, and it support Telegram sending as well. So, but on this particular video, I'm focusing on SMS sending. So just click on this SMS. So if you have two different network on your phone, you can just choose the network you are using for sending. So I've chosen the networks, then upload your contact. So you have numerous ways for you to upload your contact. You can just select contact from your phone. You can add a contact manually, just enter the contacts, or you can just create your list and upload your contact, or you can just import your file, which I know this is going to be best option for you, because if you can just upload via CSV file or TSV file. So you can just click on pick file, just pick the file where you save it on your system. So I'm just going to use my WhatsApp number. So then enter a message. So if you want to add the username, then choose the time you want to send. Right now, 15 minutes later, 1 hour later today, tomorrow, pick a date or pick a frame. So I'll send it right now because of the demo. Then click on mark. You are going to wait for a few seconds before you start sending. Can you see message sent? Can you see? You have received a message. It's amazing. So it's not like all this bulk SMS sender software that is going to show sent and the message is not going to deliver. So you can see the message has delivered. So can you see that the message has delivered, and can you see it show the names of the contact. Maybe you want to show the user name of the contact so they can know you are speaking with them directly. It's very amazing software. So, and the best part of this software is that, so if you get the software maybe basically for SMS sender, so you can also enjoy the WhatsApp sending as well. It has WhatsApp sending. So maybe you want to promote your product via WhatsApp, you don't want to spend money on SMS charges. So WhatsApp or Telegram is another way for you to promote your product. So you don't have to spend money to buy another WhatsApp sender software. With this software, you have like 3 to 4 bulk sender software on your phone. It's just the price of one. So if you want to send message maybe via WhatsApp business or online WhatsApp, just going to choose the WhatsApp, then upload your contact. It's the same format. Just choose the method you want to upload your contact, then enter your number. So enter your number. So enter your number. So we are going to upload image to show that it deliver image or video as well. So the next thing is just to choose the time you want to use for sending. So right now, I click on send. So it's going to take a few seconds. Oh, sorry. Okay, I see that's sent. That's a message sent successfully. So that's how it works. There's an amazing software that is going to be sending your message one by one. So in case maybe I've gotten this software, you now have like 2 different WhatsApp accounts on your phone, and maybe the software is using one particular account that you don't want to use to send. Maybe you're using ordinary WhatsApp and you have that type of WhatsApp, maybe that is true on your phone. So the best option maybe is using app 1 to send. You can just change it to app 2. So for you to use the other app you want to use for sending. So the same goes to the WhatsApp business and the Telegram as well. So that's the same method I'm going to follow for the WhatsApp business and the Telegram sender as well. And you are using Telegram X. Oh, I don't have Telegram S on my phone. So if you are using Telegram S as well, you can also use this software for sending. So this is an amazing bulk SMS sender, WhatsApp sender, and Telegram sender. So if you want to get the software, message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram by checking the YouTube description. Thank you. Remember to subscribe. We see you again.